I think it's just like so easy to overlook the most simple aspects of creating music, especially when you're trying to like have a high output. I think the only thing that gets boring is when we do things that are a little bit too repetitive and we're just a little bit too comfortable with. So something that I really like to do when I catch myself just going through the motions, focusing my attention on something that I've overlooked. So here we are, we're just in like chorus and reverb, but maybe what I'll do is I'll change it to the delay. This looks confusing because I'm not used to looking at this, but I'm sure it's pretty easy once we just like have a look at each and every one of the parameters. So I'm just gonna play around with this because I feel like a bit of delay, bit of reverb will really fill out this MIDI. A lot of the time when I play around in the back end of plugins, I tend to fall in love with the sounds that they create because it's something that I usually haven't heard before. Obviously this is digital, but it's like playing around with analog gear. Everything just has a different sound to it because it's got a different algorithm. A lot of the software designers are right into analog gear and they know the ins and outs of everything. So they go to the extra effort to recreate the way that these units are built. Alright, so that's it for the video. Thanks once again for watching. Really appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure you hit subscribe because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to cop this project file along with my stash kit and loot packs, then be sure to sub to my Patreon. It's a really great way to support me. See you in the next video.